Your name, sir?
Defendant.
All right, so Mr. Minnick is in here on multiple violations. He's got 13 of them. I set a bond on him of $7,500, 10% on August 25th. How is he going to proceed on all of these? Let's start with the misdemeanor charge of the operating while impaired from July of 23. How is he going to proceed on all these?
They're just saying you waive reading.
Well, he already did that. Is he gonna, we're gonna have a hearing today, right?
On that, I wasn't aware, Judge, that we're having a hearing on this.
Well, he stood mute and waived reading on August 25th. I set a bond. He's got multiple charges. Failure to attend the probation visit. September 12 of 23, failure to attend the court work program. August 12 of 23, failure to attend, provide proof of completing victim's impact. Failure to pay fines and costs. Balance owing $12.85. Failure to refrain from violating a law. Being convicted of disturbed the peace in August of 23. Failure to refrain from consuming alcohol or drugs. Testing positive on July 31 of 23 for heroin, fentanyl, THC, opiates, and meth. Failure to submit the weekly testing as ordered. Count 6, August 11 of 23. Count 7, August 16 of 23. Count 8, August 22 of 23. Count 9, August 29 of 23. Count 10, September 6 of 23. And then failure to submit the weekly testing as ordered on September 15 of 23. Failure to provide verification of attending NA 3 times a week until an IOB. And failure to provide proof of attending and completing intensive outpatient treatment. So those are the charges.
Judge, if the court would recall, when I was in here earlier, and Mr. Minnick was having a bit of a breakdown outside, the court did indicate that they would allow an adjournment.
Why?
That was communicated to Mr. Minnick, and that was, I believe, the reason that he came back. He's gonna ask the court to adjourn this so that if the court does decide that he's gonna go have to serve some time, he's gotta make arrangements, Judge, for he's got some young children, and a girlfriend that live with him.
How old are you?
25. I'm trying to.
How old are you?
25.
How old are you?
25, sir, and I'm trying to.
How old are
act
you?
Like it from now on.
No, you're not acting anywhere close
I
to it.
was trying.
It's time to grow up. Stop. If you're gonna act like a criminal, at least take it like a man. Do you understand what I'm saying to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. You have 13 counts. You haven't been here in 2 years. I mean, you're gonna have to search hard and far and wide and long and probably, I don't know where you'd go in the United States to find somebody who's gonna be sympathetic to you, son. You don't do this. You don't do this. So I don't really wanna hear it. We're going with the hearing today, or you're gonna plead today, whichever your choice is. Do not walk out of this building. Do we understand one another?
Yes, sir.
It's that simple. No wonder he's worried about going to jail. I didn't even, stop,
Can I just say?
stop.
No, you're good.
I'm talking to your lawyer right now.
I apologize.
Yes,
I get it. It happens. The meth, the fentanyl, the heroin, all the opiates. Chance of surviving like that and being happy, I'd say, are the shot chance of some ball player tonight hitting a fastball over the center field fence 729 feet. I'm not gonna play games with him. And I resent you going out and acting like a child and screaming. Okay? Is this his mother?
yes.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm his mother.
Come on up here. What a sad commentary that I have to have the mother of a 25-year-old come up here.
And you can stand next to that way.
Your name, ma'am?
Ms. Patricia, last name's Minnick.
I don't know what to do with your son here.
I don't know what to do with him either, Your Honor. He's destroying his life.
When's the last time you worked?
About 2 weeks ago,
Where?
the roof and home improvement company that I usually work
What's
for.
the name of it?
Napier's.
How long did you work at Napier's?
I've worked there, probably about since I was 19.
6 years. How many hours do you, yeah, on and off. How much on and how much off?
Just like 2 times I wasn't, and plus like seasonal, during the winter we don't work, so I had to find other things to do.
Is he living with you? Get used to it.
That was just recently, within the last few months.
Where were you living before that?
I was with my girlfriend and the kids.
You got kids too.
I have 3 children. Yeah,
So you're fooling around with all these drugs, you don't show up in court, you got 3 kids, you're acting like a little child out in your car. It's time to grow up. I don't know what to tell you.
You're completely right. And that's,
Well, then stop
that's why I
acting
wanna
like a
stop
bit.
running- That's why I wanna stop running from it. I really do. It's just, I can't. I've been
You're scared,
struggling.
Tom. You're
I
scared.
am.
It's okay to say you're scared.
I'm afraid. I've been struggling with this.
Judge, he's been
with
through detox twice.
Wait a minute, slow down. Who's talking here?
He's been trying to get through detox twice, Judge. He's been in
I
rehab.
completed it.
Wait, why are you interrupting
No,
your
I'm sorry.
lawyer?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
According to Mr. Minot, Judge, he's twice tried to detox. He's been in inpatient rehabilitation, and he's unfortunately.
When's the
relapsed.
last time you used? Tell me the truth, don't lie to me. Tell me the truth, don't lie.
3 days ago, sir.
That long ago?
Yes, sir.
You sure it wasn't yesterday?
No,
Sure it wasn't this morning?
I put that, no, it was not this morning.
What did you use?
Heroin.
Yeah, I mean, why not?
Yeah, I just don't.
You're just playing Russian
Obviously, I
roulette.
don't wanna say that, I know,
You should say no.
I
You're playing
know.
Russian
I know
roulette
I'm
with.
making horrible choices. And, I've been making horrible choices. I can't change the past of what I've done, you know, and I wish I could. And I'm not trying to have a sob story or make you feel bad for me, because nobody should, because I'm doing it to myself. But if there's any possible way that I can make the steps forward to prove to you that I do want to change this and put all this behind me, I will do whatever it takes.
Now you're saying that because you know you're in deep trouble because you didn't.
Yes.
Why do you keep interrupting me? Do I look like the kind of guy that wants to
No, sir.
be interrupted all the time? Did he do anything?
Nothing, Your Honor. I met with counsel just before he came in, went through the file. Unfortunately, 0 days of work program, no treatment, no 12-step. I wish I had something positive to say in regards to Mr. Minnick. I know you mentioned earlier he's got 13 counts. I do want to make sure I try to highlight the file. He does have the non-technical violation as well, just to point out as far as being pleading guilty to a new offense. It's 14 counts. I don't have anything. I think he's over his 2 years as of July
Yeah.
27th.
Did you pre-try this case with Trenton this morning? The suspend charge? There was a suspend charge.
I only had just the one file, Judge. I wasn't given the other file.
I mean, I think we need to go forward on this, one way or the other. So you want to talk to him, or what do you want to do? If he wants to have a hearing, we'll give him a hearing. If he wants to plead guilty, he can plead guilty. If he doesn't, that's fine too. What's he want to do?
Can we have a few minutes, Judge? We'll come back on.
Sure.
What's the one with the clear?
Phil Single.
Name?
Judge, may I get Mr. Minnick?
So what are we doing on this?
Judge, Mr. Minnick will plead guilty to violation.
Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes, sir.
You plead guilty here, since this has been an absconsion, you've absconded, you could get 93 days. Do you understand that?
Yes.
To the count one that you failed to attend your scheduled visit on September 12 of 23, how do you plead with probation? How do you plead, sir?
Guilty.
Did you fail to appear on that day?
Yes, sir.
Count two that you failed to attend the court work program on August 12 of 23, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Count three, you failed to provide proof of attending the victim's impact panel, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Count four, you failed to pay your fines and costs as ordered, how do you plead? Count five, that you failed to refrain from violating a law, being convicted of disturb the peace in 2023. Count six, that you failed to refrain from consuming alcohol or drugs testing positive for fentanyl, heroin, THC, opiates, and meth on a chemical test of July 31 of 23. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Count six, that you failed to submit to weekly testing. Nice and loud.
Guilty.
Judge,
Count seven, that you failed to submit to weekly testing as ordered on August 16th. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Count eight, that you failed to submit the testing as ordered on August 22nd of 23. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Count nine, that you failed to submit the testing as ordered on August 29 of 23. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Count 10, that you failed to submit the testing as ordered on September 6 of 23. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Count 11, that you failed to submit the weekly testing as ordered on September 15 of 23. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Count 12, that you failed to provide verification of attending AA 3 times a week until an IOP. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Count 13, that you failed to provide proof of attending and completing intensive outpatient treatment. How do you plead?
Guilty.
That you failed to attend and complete outpatient treatment. I can't hear.
Guilty.
yes or no?
Sorry. Oh, yes.
Okay, are you on probation or parole right now, besides this case to me?
No, Your Honor.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Plea is accepted to no ops. That's file B. The suspend is dismissed. The failure to signal and observe is dismissed pursuant to stipulation of the parties. So I'm taking the plea to no ops, dismissing the suspend, that's on 449B. And I'm also dismissing the failure to signal and observe. So I'm going to sentence him on probation violations, in this case, the no ops. Anything you'd like to say? Let's talk about the no ops first. Anything?
Nothing.
Sir, anything?
As far as the no operating.
No.
In addition to the statements that were made on the record earlier this afternoon, just that Mr. Minnick, obviously, I believe is at a point in his life where he understands that he can't keep running from his problems the way he's been doing before. Again, he's got 3 minor children of his own with his girlfriend, in addition to the minor children that she has with previous relationships. They all live with Mr. Minnick. He is responsible for their financial support and well-being, Judge. He's trying to get his life together. He's made several attempts, Judge, to do inpatient treatment as well as detox. Unfortunately, he's relapsed. So obviously, he does admit and acknowledge that he does have a problem with substance abuse, Judge. And he knows that if he keeps going the way he is, unfortunately, he may not be around much longer.
Lisa, is that amount still true, 1285?
Let me check.
Sir, anything you would like to say?
First off, I'd like to apologize for holding the court's time up with my outbreak.
It's fine. Don't worry about it.
Judge, I show 1671. There's late fees and a suspension's been added.
Okay. Go ahead, sir.
Also, apologize for also interrupting you.
You're fine.
That many times. I also just wanted to see if maybe you would possibly consider, it may not be an option now, because I don't know how the court works like when it comes to stuff like this. They mentioned rescheduling just the sentencing or the hearing. I really just wanted to see my boys because I was supposed to see them and talk to my boss and make sure I could still have my job when I get out. I'm not running from this no more. If that was even a possibility, I'd be here on the time that the next scheduled time, and I just wanted to see if maybe you could possibly consider it, sir. And that's really just because I just want to see my kids and secure my job, so I'm not backstep. Does that make sense? And I know I'm wrong, and I should hold more accountability and responsibility for the things that I've done. And I'm trying to turn it around so I can better my children's lives, my home, and everybody around me, and stay living.
But she does have a mother here for support as well.
On 214, do you want to say anything?
I don't think I can add anything other than what I said earlier. It sounds like he's not living with the children. Sounds like he's living with his mom. He wants to secure a job, but he hasn't worked for 2 weeks.
Oh, sorry.
So at this point, I don't know what else to say. We're past the 2 years. I feel for Mr. Minnick. I wish him well, but I think delaying any type of sentencing, he's already absconded for 2 years, not just on this file, but other files. I think it's disservice if we adjourn it out, and I'm afraid he might go use, and I'm really afraid that it might be the end of his life if he uses, if he's not in custody today.
Probation's revoked. You're to pay costs of $1,500 and serve 93 days, credit 1 for 92. If you pay costs of $1,500, I'll suspend 47 of the 92, and you'll only have to serve 45 days. So if you pay $1,500, you'll serve 45 days. You have a bond of $7,500, 10% that appears to be in your mother's name. She can apply that. You also have another bond that appears to be in your name on the no ops, and I'm gonna just apply that money either way, Lisa, to the fines and costs outstanding on the drunk driving. And that is, on that case, I'm simply going to go $100 fines, 100 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment. So your total there is 3 1/4 or 30 days, and I'll run that concurrent. I'll run that concurrent with the drunk driving. So you're gonna serve 45 days if you pay 1,500. Otherwise, you're gonna serve 92. You have 21 days to appeal. You have 14 days to apply for a court-appointed lawyer. Understand all of that? Good luck. Thank you.
He
I
does
think
have-
he's doing Judge Hessen's.
Yeah, I was gonna say, he's got a court next, he's got a case next.
That's fine. They'll have to monitor it, but
Thank you, Judge.
thank you.
Subscribe my YouTube channel Case by Case.